The CAT 6090 is a hydraulic excavator designed for use in mining and quarry operations. This powerful machine is equipped with advanced features that make it ideal for excavating large volumes of rock and earth quickly and efficiently. The hydraulic system is designed to provide precise and controlled movement of the boom and arm, making it easy for operators to navigate the excavator and position it accurately for digging. And this is how the process of collecting hops looks like today, from which delicious foamy beer is then brewed. Due to their ability to operate in rough terrain and adverse weather conditions, Caterpillar dump trucks are a popular choice for farmers and agricultural contractors. This agricultural machine cultivates the soil only around the sapling, without hitting them, thanks to super accurate sensors. It's simply unbelievable how accurately modern agricultural machinery works. Not a single leaf is damaged. As you can see, seedling planting machines can be different. The front-mounted in-row disc cultivator, made by Capa Industrie SRL in Italy, is a specialized piece of agricultural equipment designed to cultivate soil in row crops such as corn, soybeans, and sunflowers. The cultivator consists of discs that are adjustable for depth and spacing. It's unique in that it's designed to work between the rows of crops without damaging the plants. The discs rotate, cutting and breaking up soil, creating a smooth surface for the crop roots to grow in. This process helps to increase soil aeration, drainage, and nutrient uptake, which can lead to higher yields. The Tong Barrel Washer is a next-generation potato washing and grading machine designed for high-capacity processing. The grading process is fully customizable, allowing users to tailor the system to meet specific grading requirements. The machine is capable of grading potatoes based on size, shape, and weight, and can handle a wide range of potato varieties and sizes. The Tong Barrel Washer is equipped with advanced automation and control systems that allow for real-time monitoring of the washing and grading process. The Deco 1 is a compact and versatile machine that can process up to 160 heads of lettuce per hour. It's designed to efficiently remove the core of the lettuce and cut it into uniform pieces of the desired size and shape. The machine is easy to operate and can be adjusted to meet the specific needs of each user. One of the key features of the Deco 1 is its ability to reduce waste. The new Tomra 5B unit is a key component in the production process for the ready-made Spanish omelets at the Funes plant. This cutting-edge technology provides accurate and efficient sorting of the potatoes used in the omelets, ensuring that only the highest quality potatoes are used. The unit's advanced sensors and software are able to detect and remove any defects or foreign objects, ensuring that the end product is consistent and meets the desired quality standards. The HydroGreen system uses nutrient-rich water and seeds to produce fresh, green forage in just 6 days. The system is fully automated, which means that it requires minimal labor to operate, and it can be monitored remotely using a smartphone or computer. The forage produced by the HydroGreen system is highly nutritious and is comparable to alfalfa in terms of quality. This means that farmers can improve the health of their livestock and reduce their dependence on expensive and unreliable feed sources. In addition to its many benefits, the HydroGreen system is also environmentally friendly. The system requires significantly less water than traditional farming methods, and it produces no waste or runoff that can harm the environment. The cubic farm system allows for efficient and sustainable year-round growing of a variety of crops in a controlled environment. The system features automated vertical farming technology that maximizes space utilization while minimizing the need for water and pesticides. By growing crops indoors, the system reduces the impact of water and climate change on crop yields, allowing for consistent production throughout the year. Additionally, the system can be customized for specific crops and can be used in urban settings to bring fresh produce closer to consumers. Tomra Fresh Food, a leading provider of food sorting and grading solutions, has recently introduced the Rotofiller, a state-of-the-art filling system designed for high-speed and high-accuracy filling of fresh produce. The system is equipped with sensors that monitor the level and weight of the product in the container, and the filling process is controlled by a computerized system that adjusts the filling speed and volume to ensure that each container is filled to the correct level. The Roller's Grader 8 is a versatile machine that can be used to sort and grade a wide range of fruits and vegetables, including broccoli. As the broccoli is fed into the machine, it's carried along by a series of rollers that are arranged in a spiral pattern. The smaller and lighter broccoli will fall through the gaps between the rollers, while the larger and heavier broccoli will continue along the rollers until it reaches the end of the machine. The parsnip trimmer from Tong is a specialized machine designed for trimming and cleaning parsnips. It features a unique design that utilizes a series of rotating abrasive rollers to gently remove the outer skin and any root hairs from the parsnips. The rollers are adjustable, allowing for precise control of the trimming process to ensure that only the outer layer of skin is removed, leaving the parsnip intact and minimizing waste. It's a radish harvester designed and manufactured by Univerco, a Canadian company specializing in the production of agricultural equipment. It's equipped with a series of oscillating blades that cuts the radish from the soil. The machine then conveys the radish up a series of cleaning belts, which remove any dirt or debris from the root vegetables. This is the Jagoda 300 blueberry harvester, made by Jagoda JPS Agro Machines in Poland. This self-propelled machine can be operated by a single person, reducing the need for manual labor and improving productivity. One of the key features of the Jagoda 300 is its ability to harvest blueberries from both sides of the plant. The machine is equipped with two sets of picking heads, one on each side, which can be independently adjusted to fit the width of the berry bushes. This is a rice transplanter used to transplant young rice seedlings from a seedbed to a paddy field. This machine significantly reduces the amount of manual labor required for rice. Today, harvesting firewood has become not such a difficult process. This farmer's innovative spirit led him to create his own machine for soil heat treatment. The heat destroys weed seeds and pathogens, while also improving soil structure and nutrient availability for crops. The times when cotton was harvested by slaves are long gone. Today, these amazing machines are doing it. Modern cotton harvesting machines are a true wonder of agricultural engineering. These machines work by first stripping the cotton bolls from the plants using rows of spindles, then separating the cotton from the seeds and other debris using a series of fans and filters. Finally, the cotton is compressed into large bales that can be easily transported and processed. Helicopters are used in agriculture for spraying crops with pesticides, herbicides, or fertilizers to enhance their growth and protect them from pests and diseases. Helicopters can fly low and slow over fields, allowing for precise application of these chemicals to specific areas of crops. Rayco stump grinders are powerful machines designed to quickly and efficiently remove tree stumps. These grinders are used by professionals in the landscaping, forestry, and construction industries to clear land, prepare building sites, and improve the aesthetic appearance of properties. This machine is designed to remove aquatic weeds and debris from water bodies. The machine is operated by a crew of trained professionals who navigate it through the backwaters, collecting weeds and debris as they grow. The collected material is then deposited onto a barge or other vessel for disposal.